if you go to sites and forms, you come up here to websites. Well, first, let me show you. Go to websites, and you can see I added one, but there are a bunch that you can pick from, so you don't have to use this one. But let me just show you what it looks like. And you always want to edit these in mobile view. Just your link in bio, not your regular website. You always want to do the regular website in desktop and then optimize it for mobile. So you would edit, regular website in desktop. After it looks the way you want it to, you would click over to mobile. But for a Linktree, we go straight to mobile. You can change, pictures. So you could add, whatever you wanted in here. That obviously is spelled wrong. Change where this link goes. So you would just come down here. This says to link to open pop-up. We want it to a website URL. We'd put the website URL right here, and I usually click open a new tab. Same thing for the rest of these. I'm going to just go ahead in case you use this one and fix these. You could take them to, these could be whatever you want it to be. This contact us could also take them to a page where you had a contact us form. Down here, if you had a freebie, you could have, here's my freebie. You could have a picture of it. Let me add a picture so you can see. So you could say free, what is it called? Not purging, decluttering guide. And then you could add a picture of your decluttering guide, and then you could have the form that goes to your lead magnet, and they could just fill that out and go right to your list. So this is one that you can use if you want. Oh, I don't want to publish it. Okay. But then let's go back out here. And if you want a different one, what I want you to do is click back. You're still on websites. You're going to click new website from templates. And then you're going to come down here to Linktree. And right here, you will see all of the different Linktree templates that they have. And you can change the background, you can change the color, the images, anything. So you're really just looking for one that you like the layout. And all you have to do, like if you wanted this one, you would click it, could look at it. Yep, that looks great. You would click continue. It's going to add it. And then it's going to open up so you can start editing it. Okay, so if this is the one you wanted to use, then if you wanted to publish it, you would go into settings. Let's go back so you know where I'm at. Let me refresh. Okay, well, it's not wanting to do that. So you'd click back. We could come back into whichever one of these you wanted to publish. We go into settings, and then we would just select your domain. Now here, I would remove like all this stuff after it, and then I would publish it. So that's how you do it. And I hope that's helpful.